Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I am going to talk about something different from the lot. This video is going to be all about the power of makeup. Now makeup is so much more than just some products people put on their face to look pretty. Makeup is something which brings back that lost confidence in you. Now I feel that it's a form of self-expression. So yeah, let's just move on the transformation part. Now I have got several large pores around my T-zone, so I am gonna blur out that. For that I need a primer. I am using the NYKAA Premier primer. Now to cancel out all the imperfection like the dark circle, the acne spots, the pigmentation I have got in my face, I will be using a concealer. I am using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. Now naturally I do have a very flat face, so to bring that sculpted effect to my face, to just get that lift to my face, I have to highlight several areas of my face. Also I have to contour. First I'll be highlighting, then I'll move on to the contouring part. So for that I will be using this Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline in the shade Light. Next, to even out my skin tone, I will be using this foundation from Maybelline. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So the foundation I am using, it's a medium coverage foundation. You can build it up, but if you're somebody who has got really severe pigmentation problem or acne spots problem, you can go for a full coverage foundation. To set my face, I'll be using a loose powder from Sugar. I have used a way lighter concealer to highlight my face than my usual one, so that I haven't kept the powder for too long. I didn't want to get that extra highlighting effect from the powder. Next, to add certain dimension to my face, I'll be using this palette from Sivana Colors. Basically it is an eyeshadow palette, but it does a great job as a powder contour. So I will be mixing these two shades together to get that perfect shade of mine. As you can see, I am not really blessed with a pointed nose, so I have to work on that. For that, I have taken the contour shade on my brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just squeeze the brush like this so that it will give a thin application. You can do that with a small brush as well. As you can see, my nose is looking way slimmer. To give that extra slimness to it, what I'm gonna do is, I have taken the loose powder onto my blender. I'm just gonna sharpen up the contour. Next, I'm gonna jump onto my eyes directly. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette. For my brows first, I'll be using this black shade from the palette. I'm gonna give it a shape as well.
Whenever you are using a black shade for your brows, you have to be very careful.
Next, to set my brows, I'll be using this mascara from Maybelline. There is actually nothing left in it, so that I'm using it as a brow setting product. Once I'm done with that, I will go back to this concealer to clear out my brows as well as to prime up my eyelid. As you can see, I do have a hooded eyes. I don't really have a defined crease on to my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an artificial crease onto my eyes. I'll be using this tiny little brush and I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. I'm just gonna place the color wherever I want my crease to be. And also whatever shape I want it to be.
So I'm just placing the color.
Next, to blend that out, I'll be using this shade right here with the help of this blending brush. I'm going back to the brown color again to just intensify the color. Going back to the blending brush again to blend that out. Also, I am darkening up the outer corner of my eyes. Next, for my lid, I will be using this color. It's a very champagne sort of a shimmer shade, which looks really great onto the lids. Next, for my kajal, I'll be using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I'm just drawing a very thin line. Close to my eyelashes. Next, to make your eyes look bigger, what you have to do is, you just have to draw the kajal the same way onto your lower lash line. I'll be blending that out with the dark brown shade. So to give a certain length to my eyes, I'm just connecting this with my outer V. To open up my eyes, I'll be using a mascara. Next step is to highlight your inner corner. I'll be using this shade right here that I have used for my eyelids.
Also, I'm highlighting my brow bone with a SHEIN shade.
The last step to have a bigger eyes is a nude eye pencil. So once I'm done with my two eyes, I'll give a flush of colors to my cheeks that I don't have naturally. For that, I'm using this palette from Sivana colors. I'm so sorry, it has been broken by me only.
I'm just blending everything together so that it looks seamless.
For my lips today, I am thinking of going for a red shade. So for that, I'll be using this Lakmé 9 to 5 lip and cheek mousse in the shade Crimson Silk. Next, I'll fix everything up with a fixing spray. I'm using this pack fixing spray. Next, with the help of a beauty blender, I will blend everything out together. Next, to add that extra glow to my face, I'll be using a highlighter. I'm using the Sivana Shimmer Brick highlighter. I'll mix up these two shades right at the top. Just gonna...
You can see how blinding this highlighter is. On the tip of my nose. This way your nose look way slimmer. So apply that on the bridge of my nose.
So yeah, this is it for today's video. Started this video with a very droopy and hooded shot of her eyes, a blunt nose and a flat face, and finishing off this video with a larger eyes than my natural one, with a very sculpted and glowy face and a slimmer nose. So yeah, this is the power of makeup. So I hope I justified the title of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. If you like this video, if you found this video helpful, you know the deal, what to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do let me know in the comment section below what kind of video you want to watch on my channel. I will try to get my hands on that. Stay tuned for my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.